That was so much faster with my electric scissors. I love these things. All right, so now I have the words cut out of my shirt. I'm going to turn the rest of the shirt into yarn, so that'll be a different video. Okay, and here is my button-up shirt. It does have a little stain on the back. I'll probably cover that up. All right, gotta figure out where the center is. And I found the center by just folding the shirt. Maybe if I turn it that way, you can see it better. Matching up the side hems. Matching up the side hems right here. And then seeing where the center is. I'm going to mark it with a pin. Here and here. And probably somewhere along the way too. In the middle. Then I will open it up. And now my center line is marked right there. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and put one through the tag there too, because I am going to put a tag on there. All right. So probably that red line right there is going to be pretty close to the center. And then I'm going to take my words and fold it in half. I'm going to fold it in half this way. And lay that center line right on that stripe there. I think I want it pretty close to that. Well, you know what? I may put some fringe there. So I'm going to put it down maybe like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. All right. And then spread it out, making sure I don't move it. And if you move it a little bit, that's fine. And just start pinning. I do want to make sure the words are straight though. Pretty close. And make sure that none of these little gathers are caught up. And now I'm just going to pin all the way around. Now I'm just going to zigzag really close to the edge. Not really close. I'm putting the presser foot right against the edge of the fabric. Sewing up to my pin and pulling it out. And then I'm just smoothing with my fingers because I didn't use any iron-on interfacing or anything like that on here. I just am sewing this t-shirt fabric directly to the shirt fabric. To me, it's faster. All right, here's a sewing tip for you. When you're zigzagging, zigzag right up to the pin, put the needle down into the fabric, and then pull the pin out. So that way, when you pull the pin out, it doesn't move your fabric. And then just keep going. All right, I zigzagged all the way around it. Now I'm just going to trim off the little strings, front and back, and see what other embellishments I can add to it.